Smart culture, science.
We are going to investigate which materials can conduct electricity. These materials are called conductors. If they cannot conduct electricity, we call them insulators. So the circuit is already set up using two batteries, a light bulb, and wires connected to crocodile clips. So we'll place each material in this gap and see if the bulb lights up. Here you'll see all the materials that we are going to test. So let's start with an earbud. The light bulb does not glow, so that means that the earbud is an insulator. Next, we'll try a nail clipper. You will see that the light bulb glows, so that means that the nail clipper is a conductor. Let's test a toothpick. You will see that the light bulb stays off. So that means a toothpick cannot conduct electricity. It is an insulator. Now we'll try aluminium foil. The bulb glows, so that means aluminium foil is a conductor. Let's test a piece of paper. The bulb does not glow, so that means paper is an insulator. Next, we'll try a plastic measuring cup. You won't see any light, so that means plastic is an insulator. Let's try cloth. The bulb does not glow, so that means cloth is an insulator. Lastly, we'll test a split pin. You will see that the bulb glows. So that means the split pin is a conductor. So here is a summary of our results, showing which substances are conductors and which are insulators. We saw that metals like the split pin, nail clipper and aluminium foil are good conductors of electricity. Non-metals like cloth, paper and plastic are insulators.
And that's a wrap on today's fascinating journey through the world of knowledge. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of curious minds. We can't wait to embark on new educational adventures together.